First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So I hope you have seen the yesterday notification, SBI Clerk notification, 13,700 vacancy. It's really a huge number of vacancy. Everyone should apply for it. If you are a bank aspirant preparing for more than 2-3 years, definitely this time you should crack, because this much of when compared to previous 2 or 3 years, this time it's a good number of vacancy, right? And second important thing, if you are a bank aspirant, I hope you should not wait for the notification. You should start your preparation earlier. Previous month itself, I have posted a video regarding SBI Clerk. Usually SBI Clerk will be notification will be on the December month. Jan end or Feb will be the prelims exam, and March will be the mains exam. I have told you on the previous video itself, 10 or 11 videos back itself, I have posted a video regarding SBI Clerk. At that time, many students have told that this year there is no SBI Clerk. But see, if you are a bank aspirant, you should know all these things. Do not wait for the notification. So that's the reason I have started the daily test from December 1 itself. As well as I have uploading the worksheet also from December 1 itself. I hope you know it, right? So it's now, yesterday I think I have uploaded the 10th worksheet. That is based on the topic equation. So as per the schedule, we will be uploading all the topics worksheets on the test, as well as daily test will be given. At the end of January, we will give you 10 prelims practice set. So that's the reason I was every time saying you do not wait for notification. Do not see the vacancy states number, right? Some students will say this state we have low vacancy. No, don't see the numbers. Start your preparation. Work hard. Surely you will get into it. Right? If you see the numbers, if you see your state vacancy number, you can't able to clear it, right? And second important thing, do not expect a spoon feeding, because many students would have crossed 24 or 25 plus of age. So I think you guys should have some maturity level, that even if you are preparing for preparing in any institutions, or if you are going for any live classes, you are watching any live subscriptions, everything. So start your preparation on your own. That will always help you to crack the exam, right? Even if you prepare for 8 to 10 hours a day, practice is more and more needed. Keep that in mind, right? If you are preparing for a bank exam, so you should study less, you should practice more, because bank exam is completely based on time management, right? So practice is more needed, and write all the list of topics first, right? Table of content, what are all the topics we have in our aptitude, what are all the topics that we have in reasoning, and based upon the topic, what are all the lessons you have learned, and what are all the formulas that you have learned. Take a note of it. So once before going for an exam, you should just have revise that note. You can able to easily have a revision, and then you can able to by heart all the formulas easily, right? Don't write here and there. Have a separate note, and you have all the topic videos in my YouTube channel itself. If you take time and work, starting from lesson number 1 till lesson number 7 or 8, I've posted all the concepts. Just sit and watch, right? If you have a good internet facility at your home, you don't want to get this pen drive, because all the videos what I posted on my YouTube channel will be given in an offline mode, that is in a pen drive. Without internet, you can just like that plug and play the video, so that this will be helpful for the students, those who don't have internet. If you have 1 GB per day, 2 GB per day, you can't able to watch my videos. For those students, you can get this pen drive. But if you have a good internet facility, it is not required, right? So and here I have given a coupon code till Christmas. This coupon code will be valid. Actually, SBI Clerk was 199. I'm giving for 99 rupees. Aptitude reasoning is 149. Use the coupon code and you can get it for 99 rupees. I'm really sorry that I can't able to give this for free, because whatever videos, whatever concepts I know, I thought it as free on my YouTube channel, but I can't able to give this alone for free because of server cost, everything. I'm really sorry for it, but I hope 99 is not a huge amount for you. So start purchasing it and start writing the test daily. If you go on aptitude and reasoning test, you will get lot of practice sets on aptitude topic, reasoning topic. Daily at least write 2 or 3 practice set, and every day write the daily test. Use the worksheets. Work hard 8 to 10 hours a day. Surely you can able to crack this SBI Clerk, right? So again, do not expect spoon feeding from anyone. Have a self preparation. Surely you can able to crack this exam, right? In case if I have any content to post regarding SBI Clerk, I will definitely post it as a video. But before that, make sure to learn and practice properly, right? So don't forget to buy the test. If you don't have an internet, just call to this number and ask regarding the pen drive details. Our team will tell you, right? So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. All the best. Start your preparation. Bye.